Okay. So on Friday, like I said, we were going to be doing something, but it just wasn't working out well. So I wanted to do it today with you. Mr. Bacino had to leave early, so you will be having gym with me. Okay. We may go outside, but I want to see us all listening and following directions. Okay. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to share with you what we're going to be learning. And like I said, we're still talking about endangerment, and we're going to talk about plastic pollution. Okay? Who can tell me what endangerment means again, making sure we all know and refresh our memories? Nayeli. An animal at risk or what? Or in danger, right? It's being at risk or in danger. And we talked about many different types of endangerment, and that was what? Tell me one of them. Lydia. Oil spills. Tell me another. Leonard. Plastic pollution. And Ashley. Overfishing, right? And we've talked about many of those endangerments, Jace. And today we're really going to focus on just plastic pollution. Okay? While I'm setting this up, I would like you to take out your glossary. Take out your blue glossary. Okay, so you should have your glossary out. I'm still waiting for a couple of friends. You want to put it there? What do you want? Ponytail? What are you going to cut your hair? Well, at least trim it.
It's going to be up to your.
All right, so your glossary's out, and before we get started with our glossary, I would like us to talk about our objectives. So our objectives, I know I hear some drum rolls, and we can do it I know I'm not loud enough today. So talking about reading and writing, this is exactly what's going to happen today with us talking about plastic pollution. So today I will, let me talk about it and then you can repeat with me. Today I will.
Today I will.
I'll talk about it, then you'll repeat. Analyze pictures and make predictions. So analyze, what does that word mean? Analyze. Analyze, what do you think that means? Kalitza? Analyze. If I was to say you're going to analyze something, what do you think that means? You can make a guess if you would like. Bismaline. You're going to what? Fish? Nope. I want you to analyze something. Gislaine?
Analyze is kind of like, for example, you're looking at a model or an illustration.
Great.
And you look for details.
Great. You're looking at a model, you're looking at an illustration, maybe a picture, and you're giving me details, okay? And some of you have already noticed the differences in the room, and I put something on the wall. So you're going to analyze, you're going to look at the pictures and make predictions. All eyes should be on me. So that I can strengthen my understanding of marine life endangerment. That's what we've been working on, thinking about what endangerment our marine life animals have. And you know you're successful when you can discuss with your peers information and draw or write the information in an organizer. So you're going to be working in groups after we fill out our glossary, and you're going to be completing a sheet together to then have us all work together. Okay? So that's reading. So very quickly, today I will.
Today I will.
Analyze pictures and make predictions.
Analyze pictures and make predictions.
So that I can.
So that I can.
Strengthen my understanding.
Strengthen my understanding.
organizer. Okay. And for writing very quickly, we're going to do that at the very, very end. But it says, today I will create an opinion about the danger of plastic in the ocean. Okay, so we've been working on opinion writing, right? Our opinions have what? What are the three parts of our opinion? What do we have? Darlene, what are the parts? We have our opinion, and then we have what, Darlene? The evidence and the
Picture.
Darlene. Reasoning, right? So our opinion is how we think or feel. Our evidence is where and what made you have this opinion. Great job. And the reasoning is to why. Beautiful job. So you're creating an opinion about the plastic pollution so that I can strengthen my opinion writing skills and include specific details and evidence, okay? You're getting that information from the pictures as you go with groups. You know you're successful when you can share and explain your opinion about endangerment of marine animals with your peers, with your classmates. So we've been doing this for like 2 weeks now, right? You share your opinions. One day we had a debate, right? You guys were in those circles. One day you were just writing about it, right? We've done it a couple different times, right? It was creating an argument, and that's exactly what those 3 steps have, okay? So, on your glossary right now, we are going to write the word pollution. Say pollution.
Pollution.
Clock out pollution for me. Pollution. How many syllables do you need? 3. Beautiful job. I'm going to write pollution here, and then we are going to research pollution. Go ahead and write pollution. Who thinks that they can give me the definition for pollution before we look it up? Who thinks they can give me a definition? I hear a lot of talking. I'm not sure why. Who thinks they can give me the definition of pollution from what we've already learned about pollution? Bless you. Darlene, what did I just ask? Okay, that's one friend. Hortensia, what did I just ask? That's the second friend. Naomi, what did I just ask? Nice and loud. Perfect. I only had to go to 3 friends. So, my question was, now that I have everyone's attention, what do you think the pollution definition is? Do you think you can tell me without us researching? What do you think it is? What's pollution? Huh? What do you think it is? Gerardo, what's pollution? Okay, you can think plastic pollution. So let's talk about it real quick before I give you the answer. Okay? So when I'm thinking about plastic pollution, what's happening? What's happening? I know you all know plastic pollution, but we want to focus, what is pollution? What's plastic pollution? Heidelene, stop playing and sit up and push him, please.
It's like
What's happening during plastic pollution? You guys are making me crazy right now. Come on, Lydia. Okay, there's a lot of plastic everywhere. So, for example, when we're talking about the ocean, there's a lot of plastic where? In the ocean, right? Jace, what does pollution mean?
When something is destroying the environment.
Okay, when something's destroying the environment. I like that. Let's check it out. So it says pollution is the introduction of harmful materials into the environment. Beautiful. Glad you were thinking about it. The wheels must have been turning, James. Okay? So, the harmful materials. What could be an example of a harmful material? We have already talked about it. What could be an example of a harmful material? We just talked about it. Jalissa. Plastic, right? The plastic. There's something else we talked about with endangerment. What's the other one? Lydia. Nice and loud. Oil, right? The oil is not supposed to be in the ocean, right? It's in the ocean and it's an endangerment. Come sit, honey. Okay.
I'd love to read over there.
So okay. Where have you been?
Over there.
All right. So, the pollution, the meaning. We're gonna write having harmful materials in